Yes, ready for dictation. Start. However, the Punjab and Haryana High Court held that a state legislature was not clothed with any power to expel duly elected members as a measure of punishment for contempt of the House. Stop. The court inter alia observed that the punishment for contempt of the House was known and well settled as being reprimand, suspension, fine, and lastly, the keystone in this context being the power to commit the condemner to prison. Stop. The Supreme Court of India, while upholding the Parliament's power to expel the members involved in case for query scam and in the alleged irregularities in the MPLAD scheme, considered the question whether the powers and privileges of the legislatures in India, particularly with reference to clause within bracket 3 of Article 105 of the Constitution, include the power of expulsion of their members. Stop. While answering the question affirmatively, the apex court held that the power of expulsion can be claimed by Indian legislatures as one of the privileges inherited from the British House of Commons through Articles 105 within bracket 3 and 194 within bracket 3 of the Constitution. Stop. Passage. The court opined that the power of expulsion is not only derived from the power of the enforce privileges either by imposition of fine and confinement to prison or by expulsion is not part of any other privileges but is by itself a separate and independent power or privilege. Stop. Offences which are not sufficiently grave are punished by admonition or reprimand. Stop. An admonition is a milder form of reprimand. Reprimand is more serious punishment of the two. Stop. On an occasion, a motion to condemn the behavior of a member of the Rajya Sabha who had caused obstruction during the President's address was included in the list of business and discussed inconclusively. Stop. On another occasion, during 188th session, a member of the Rajya Sabha was reprimanded by the chairman for his unbecoming conduct while making a special mention regarding murder of a Hindu in Rajasthan. Stop. Passage. There have been instances with a member's misconduct or misbehavior has attracted adverse comments or reprobation from the chair. Stop. On an occasion when a member was persistently disobeying, the chairman, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, remarked, "I am very sorry to you. Believe like this. Stop. Your behavior is an indignity to the whole house." Stop. Rajya Sabha interrupted the president's address in the central hall and walked out. Stop. Next day, when the house met, members belonging to different sections expressed regret on that incident. Stop. The chairman agreed with the views expressed by members that the conduct of the member who interrupted the president's address was reprehensible and unbecoming of a member of parliament. Stop. On another occasion, when a member physically restrained another member from addressing the house, the chairman expressed his concern at the lack of orderly conduct on the part of the concerned member. Stop.